Good morning children. Welcome to the math class. Today we will do exercise 4.4 question number 1 from chapter 4 simple equation. Question number 1, set up equations and solve them. You will get a few sums here. You have to find the equation and then you find the solution of the equation. The first question is add 4 to 8 times a number. A number is not given. You have to take the number by your own. Take a variable for this one. Add 4 to 8 times a number, you will get 60. So when you will start the solution, first word you will write, let the number be x. Whatever the variable you want to take, you can take. Let the number be x. 8 times a number, you have to add 4 with that number. Therefore, the equation is equation is 8 times a number, that means 8x, 8 times a number, add 4 to it and the result is 60. So this is the equation. If you take the variable by your choice, if you want to take x, y, z, whatever you want to take, you can take. Then 8 times of the variable plus 4, you will get 60. Now you need to find the value of x. Use the method of transposing. Separate the variables. 8x here. Now 4 you need to transpose in the right side. 60 minus 4. 8x is equal to 60 minus 4, 56. Therefore, x is equal to, 8 was multiplied here, so 8 will go down, 56 by 8, 7. Therefore, x is equal to 7. Therefore, the required number is 7. Therefore, the required number, let the number be x, you have to find the number. Therefore, the required number is 7. Required number is 7. Understood? Now come to the next sum. In question number B, 1/5 of a number. 1/5 of a number, you can understand that 1 by 5. 1/5 of a number minus 4 gives 3. A number, you need to take a variable for this. So 1/5 of the variable minus 4 is equal to 3. This is the equation only. So what you will do, let the number take any variable be y. 1/5 of the number, that means therefore the equation is 1/5 of the number, that means 1/5 y minus 4, very clearly it is said that it is minus 4 gives 3. So this is the equation and you need to find the value of y also. To solve means you have to find the value of the variable. Now 1 by y means y by 5, 1 into y means y by 5 is equal to transposing 4 to the right side, 3 plus 4 is equal to, that means y is equal to 3 plus 4, 7 and 5 was in the denominator, multiply it. Therefore, y is equal to 35. Then what is the number? 1/5 of the number minus 4 gives us 3. Therefore, the number is required number is 35. Next number is in question number C. If I take 3/4 of a number and add 3 to it, I get 21. 3/4 of a number means 3 by 4 of a number. This is the variable I have to take for this number and add 3 to it. So start the sum. Let the number be let the number be x. If I take 3/4 of a number, therefore the equation is equation is 3/4 of a number and add 3 to it. 3/4 of a number and add 3 to it. Add means plus 3 to it. I get 21. So this is the equation. Now you need to find the value of x. What is the number? Solve it. 3 into x, 3x by 4. 3 you need to transpose. 21 minus 3. 3x by 4 is equal to 18. Then 3x, 4 was divided here, so 4 will be multiplied in the right side. And x, you need to find the value of x. 18 into 4 by 3, cancel it, 6. Therefore, x is equal to 6 4s are 24. Therefore, the required number is 24. Come to the next sum. Now in question number D, when I subtracted 11 from twice a number. Twice a number means 2 times a number. Twice a number. Number you need to take the variable. When I subtracted 11 from twice a number, the result was 15. So first of all, you have to find the equation, and to find the equation you need a variable. Let the number be x, or you can take any other variable also. Let the number be m. When I subtracted 11 from twice a number, so twice a number, therefore the equation is twice a number. So twice a number, 2 times m, 2m. When I subtracted 11 from 2m, that means minus 2m minus 11, and the result is 15. This is the sum, and the result is 15. You have to find the value of m. First one is you have to make the equation, then you have to find the value of the variable. Therefore, 2m is equal to 15 plus 11. 2m is equal to, if you add this 2, you will get 26. Therefore, m is equal to 26 by 2, 13. M is equal to 13. Therefore, the required number is I hope the sum was easy for you. You need to practice. Thank you, students.